Velcro, we all know it, we've all used it. But have you ever stopped to think about this everyday marvel? This simple invention with its two strips that magically fasten has revolutionized the way we design and interact with objects. Velcro's story is a testament to the power of observation and the ingenuity of human invention, all stemming from a simple walk in the woods. Velcro's origin story is a classic example of biomimicry, where nature inspires human innovation. It reminds us that solutions to everyday challenges can often be found by observing the world around us. Sometimes the most groundbreaking ideas are hidden in plain sight, waiting for a curious mind to unlock their potential. In 1941, Swiss engineer Georges de Mestral embarked on a casual walk with his dog in the Swiss Alps. Little did he know this ordinary walk would spark an extraordinary invention. As he strolled through the wooded paths, he noticed burrs clinging stubbornly to his dog's fur and his own clothing. Intrigued by this simple annoyance, de Mestral, ever the inquisitive engineer, placed a burr under his microscope. What he saw fascinated him. The burr's surface was covered in tiny hooks, perfectly designed to latch onto the loops of fabric and fur. This simple observation, a mere nuisance for most, ignited a spark in de Mestral's mind. He realized the potential of replicating this natural fastening mechanism. De Mestral, fueled by his discovery, embarked on a mission to recreate the burr's ingenious design. He envisioned a two-part fastener, one side mimicking the burr's hooks, the other the loops of fabric. His initial attempts involved experimenting with various materials and designs, meticulously trying to replicate the microscopic hooks and loops. After years of tireless experimentation, de Mestral finally found the winning formula. He settled on using nylon, a recently invented synthetic fabric, for its durability and ability to be easily molded into the desired shapes. Thus, Velcro, a portmanteau of the French words velours, velvet, and crochet, hook, was born. Section 4. Overcoming skepticism, Velcro's rise to fame. Introducing a completely new fastening system to the world was no easy feat. Initially, de Mestral's invention was met with skepticism and resistance. People struggled to envision its potential beyond a quirky novelty. The fashion industry, a target market for de Mestral, initially shunned the idea, deeming Velcro too utilitarian and aesthetically unappealing. However, Velcro's practicality eventually shone through. It found its first major adopter in an unexpected place, NASA. The space agency, always at the forefront of technological advancement, recognized Velcro's potential in the challenging environment of space. Velcro provided a lightweight, reliable and easy-to-use solution for securing objects in zero gravity. Its success in space exploration catapulted Velcro into the spotlight, silencing early doubters and paving the way for widespread adoption. Section 5. Velcro everywhere from space to our homes. Today, Velcro has transcended its initial applications and become a ubiquitous part of our lives. From the mundane to the extraordinary, its presence is felt across industries and applications we often take for granted. In healthcare, Velcro secures blood pressure cuffs, prosthetic limbs, and even internal surgical devices. In sports, it's found on shoes, gloves, and protective gear. Its adjustability and ease of use make it ideal for children's clothing, shoes, and toys. Look around your own home, and you'll likely find Velcro holding things together. It keeps our remote controls from getting lost, secures our wallets and purses, and even helps organize the tangled mess of wires behind our entertainment systems. Velcro's simple yet effective design has made it a staple in countless products, seamlessly integrating into our daily routines. Section 6. Nature's Blueprints, a legacy of inspiration. Velcro's story is a powerful reminder that innovation can stem from the most unexpected places. It underscores the importance of observation, curiosity, and a willingness to learn from the natural world. Georges de Mestral's simple walk in the woods, led to a groundbreaking invention that has left an indelible mark on our world. As we continue to face new challenges in the 21st century, from sustainability to healthcare, nature's blueprints offer a wellspring of inspiration. By embracing biomimicry and looking to nature for solutions, we unlock a world of possibilities and pave the way for a future where innovation is both ingenious and inherently sustainable. The Velcro revolution, born from a humble burr, stands as a testament to the boundless potential that lies at the intersection of nature and human ingenuity.